Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of memecoin holders and their unique psychology. So, let's get started. You know, memecoins are a unique breed of cryptocurrency. They're not just about the money, but also about the community and the culture surrounding them. And when it comes to memecoins, there's a certain mindset that holds true for many of their holders. They never sell. So, why do memecoin holders never sell? Well, it's all about the psychology behind it. Let's break it down. Firstly, memecoin holders often have a strong emotional attachment to their investment. They might have been one of the first people to discover and invest in a memecoin, and they've watched it grow and evolve over time. This emotional connection can make it difficult for them to let go of their investment, even if it's not performing well. Secondly, memecoin holders often feel a sense of pride and ownership in their investment. They might see themselves as a part of the memecoin community, and they want to be a part of its success. Selling their investment might feel like abandoning their community or giving up on their dreams. Thirdly, memecoin holders often have a long-term mindset when it comes to their investment. They might be in it for the long haul, hoping that their investment will eventually pay off. This long-term mindset can make it difficult for them to sell, even if they're not seeing immediate returns. Lastly, memecoin holders often have a sense of community and belonging that comes with their investment. They might have made friends and connections through their involvement in the memecoin community, and selling their investment might feel like breaking that bond. So, there you have it, folks. The psychology behind why memecoin holders never sell. It's a fascinating topic, and we hope you've enjoyed learning about it as much as we have. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative content.